So, horrible YouTuber moment 6,400,962. Since I don't record every single thing that I do and every shit that I take, which I can now say after 7 seconds and still stay monetized, I've been doing a thing. So, for those that are not aware, and if you have a Honda Civic of certain years from 2016 and above, and you've got these fancy schmancy schlong rings here that come with the speakers, if you want to use the original mount, quick, cheap, down dirty, easy way to do it is grab yourself some kind of snipper of sort. In this case, I use these, but your mileage may vary. You go around and you cut all of the plastic ribs out of the original speaker, which I've already done. You can see right here, you cut all these ribs off, and then you take razor blade and you go around the outer edge of the suspension surround. You cut the speaker out. And then I took some flush cutters here, went around and trimmed down the rib that remains around this perimeter here so that it's flush all the way across. Once you do that, you want to center these two holes here. Now this is a 6.5-inch speaker. The good book calls for 6 3/4, but 6 to 1/2 dozen the other. They're about the same. But you line up each of these holes here, if it focuses, with this opening here and here. Once you get that in place, you drill little tiny holes here, 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 and here. In the top, there's enough plastic to just run the screws in, and that'll hold. But in the bottoms, there's not enough meat and potatoes here. So what I did, these are Infinity speakers, and the Infinity speakers, I don't know if they all do, but they came with these little clips. And these clips, as you can see, fit perfectly inside of those openings, as long as you have them lined up just the right way. So, I did the back two earlier, and doing the front two now, and gonna have me some Tweety Tweeties. Thanks for watching.